Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of gut health and uncover the secrets that could hold you back from optimal well-being? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of gut health, but the truth is that it plays a crucial role in our overall well-being and self-improvement. Did you know our gut is often called our second brain? That's right, the gut is home to millions of neurons that communicate with our actual brain, influencing our mood, behavior, and even our decision-making. This intricate connection between the gut and the brain highlights how vital gut health is for our mental and emotional well-being. But here's the shocking part. Many people unknowingly ignore their gut health despite its significance, leading to various health issues and concerns. From digestive problems to weakened immune systems, the consequences of neglecting our gut health can be far-reaching and impactful. Imagine the possibilities if you were to unlock the hidden truths about your gut health. By understanding the secrets your gut is hiding, you could transform your life and embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal development. The gut is vital to unlocking your full potential and achieving optimal health and wellness. As we embark on this journey together, we will explore the fascinating world of gut health, uncovering the shocking truths that have been overlooked and hidden. Through intriguing facts and statistics, we will highlight the importance of prioritizing our gut health and taking proactive steps toward improving our overall well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of gut health and take control of your health and happiness? Join me as we unravel the mysteries of the gut and discover its transformative power for personal development and self-improvement. The gut-brain connection unveiled. The link between gut health and mental well-being is fascinating and complex. It is supported by a wealth of scientific research that sheds light on the profound impact our gut has on our brain. Studies have shown that the gut is responsible for digestion and plays a crucial role in influencing our mood, cognition, and emotional health. Research has revealed that the gut is home to a vast network of neurons known as the enteric nervous system, often called the second brain. This intricate system communicates with the central nervous system, sending signals affecting our mood, behavior, and decision-making processes. The gut-brain connection highlights our gut health's profound influence on our mental well-being. When our gut health is compromised, it can directly impact our mood, cognition, and emotional health. Imbalances in the gut microbiome have been linked to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and even cognitive decline. By nurturing our gut health, we can support a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria that can positively impact our mental clarity and emotional balance. Practical tips for improving gut health to enhance mental well-being include incorporating probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your diet. These foods can help replenish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome and supporting optimal brain function. Additionally, consuming a diet rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help nourish the gut microbiota and promote digestive health. Managing stress through practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can also have a positive impact on gut health and mental well-being. We can enhance our mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being by prioritizing our gut health and taking proactive steps to support a healthy microbiome. The intricate relationship between our gut and brain underscores the importance of nurturing gut health for a happier, healthier life. We are uncovering common gut health myths. Numerous myths and misconceptions surround gut health, clouding our understanding and hindering our journey towards self-improvement. Let's debunk some of these common myths and shed light on the truth behind gut health practices, empowering you to make informed decisions based on evidence-based information. Myth number 1. All bacteria are harmful to gut health. Contrary to popular belief, not all bacteria harm our gut health. Our gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria crucial in maintaining a healthy microbiome. These good bacteria help digest food, produce essential nutrients, and support our immune system. Nurturing a diverse and balanced microbiome can promote optimal gut health and overall well-being. Myth number 2. Probiotics are the only solution for gut health. Truth. While probiotics can benefit gut health, they are not the only solution. Prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in our gut, are equally important for maintaining a healthy microbiome. Focusing on a diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and fermented foods can also support gut health and promote a thriving microbiome. Myth number 3. Gut health has no impact on mental well-being. Truth. The gut-brain connection is a well-established phenomenon, with research highlighting our gut health's significant impact on our mental well-being. Imbalances in the gut microbiome have been linked to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. By prioritizing our gut health, we can support a healthy gut-brain axis and enhance our emotional balance and cognitive function. By debunking these common gut health myths and clarifying their truth, we can empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our gut health and self-improvement. Let's separate fact from fiction and pave the way for a healthier, happier gut and a more vibrant life. The impact of gut health on self-development. Gut health plays a pivotal role in shaping our physical well-being, mental clarity, and emotional resilience. By prioritizing gut health, we can catalyze personal growth and self-improvement in profound ways beyond physical health. Physically, a healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. When our gut microbiome is balanced, we are better equipped to ward off illness, maintain a healthy weight, and support overall vitality. By nurturing our gut health through a nutrient-dense diet and lifestyle practices that support a diverse microbiome, we can lay a strong foundation for optimal physical health and well-being. Mentally, the gut-brain connection underscores our gut health's impact on cognitive function, mood regulation, and stress management. Individuals prioritizing their gut health often report improved mental clarity, enhanced focus, and excellent emotional balance. By supporting a healthy gut-brain axis through gut-friendly foods, stress management techniques, and mindfulness practices, we can optimize our mental well-being and unlock our full potential for self-development. Emotionally, a thriving gut microbiome has been linked to increased emotional resilience, reduced anxiety, and improved overall mood. Success stories and testimonials abound of individuals who have transformed their lives by prioritizing their gut health and experiencing newfound energy, vitality, and emotional well-being. To enhance your gut health for overall self-development, consider incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kimchi into your diet. Focus on consuming a variety of fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to nourish your gut microbiome. Practice stress-reducing exercises like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to support a healthy gut-brain connection and emotional resilience. By taking actionable steps to prioritize your gut health, you can promote personal growth, self-improvement, and a life filled with vitality and well-being. Nutrition secrets for a healthy gut. When nurturing a healthy gut microbiome, our foods support optimal gut health and foster self-improvement. By incorporating essential nutrients and superfoods into our diet, we can promote a diverse and thriving gut microbiome that lays the foundation for overall well-being. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in the gut microbiome. Foods high in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. Fiber is another essential nutrient for gut health. It helps promote regular bowel movements, supports satiety, and feeds the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Incorporate fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet to support a healthy gut microbiome and overall digestive health. Start your day with a gut-friendly breakfast like overnight oats topped with yogurt and berries. Enjoy a colorful salad with fermented vegetables for lunch, and include a side of roasted vegetables with garlic and onions for dinner. Hydration is also crucial for gut health maintenance, as water helps support digestion, nutrient absorption, and the transport of waste products out of the body. Prioritize these dietary strategies and superfoods to nourish your gut microbiome and pave the way for a healthier, happier you. It's important to remember that small changes in our lifestyle can significantly impact our gut health and overall well-being. By incorporating gut-friendly foods into our diet, practicing stress management techniques, and prioritizing hydration and balanced nutrition, we can create a supportive environment for our gut microbiome to thrive. Today, please implement these simple yet powerful strategies to prioritize your gut health. Whether you add a serving of yogurt to your breakfast, include more fiber-rich foods in your meals, or take a few moments each day to practice mindfulness, every step you take towards nurturing your gut health is a step towards self-improvement and a brighter future. If you found this video insightful and valuable, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more self-help content that empowers you to unlock your full potential and live your best life. Together, let's embark on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and optimal well-being through the transformative power of gut health.